Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and just getting started with Microsoft PowerPoint, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the PowerPoint basics, step by step. This guide is perfect for absolute beginners with no experience. We'll be using PowerPoint 2021 for this tutorial, but don't worry, most of what you'll learn works across other versions too. Alright, let's get started. First, head to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the search bar. Type in PowerPoint. Then click on the app when it pops up to open it. Once PowerPoint opens, you'll land on the home screen. At the top, there's an option to start a new presentation. Below that, under the Recent tab, you'll see files you've worked on recently. The Favorite tab shows presentations you've marked for quick access. And under Shared with Me, you'll find files others have shared with your account. To create a new project, click on New. You'll now see three main options to begin. First, Blank Presentation, a clean slate where you can design from scratch. Next, Built-in Themes. These are professionally designed templates to give you a head start. And finally, online themes, you can search by keywords like education or business to find the perfect style. For now, let's choose Blank Presentation so I can show you how everything works. Here's a quick tour of the main interface in PowerPoint. In the center, you've got the slide area. This is where you'll build and edit your slides. On the left, the thumbnail pane gives you a visual list of your slides. Up top, you can find all the tools required to create a presentation. This section is divided into two sections. The Quick Access Toolbar at the top left. This includes handy shortcuts like Save and Undo. Ribbon section where each tab like Home, Insert and Design can be found. And each of these tabs have their own set of tools and which are further grouped based on their functionality. Down at the bottom, the status bar shows slide numbers, language, zoom controls, and more helpful info. Now, let's talk shortcuts, because they can save you a lot of time. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. You'll notice shortcut letters pop up across the ribbon. Here's an example. Press Alt plus N to open the Insert tab. Then press T to go to the table group. And finally, press I to insert a table. It's that simple. And once you get used to it, you'll be navigating PowerPoint like a pro. Next, let's take a look at how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. This is the mini toolbar at the very top of the screen that gives you one-click access to your favorite tools. To add any tool, click the drop-down arrow at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. From the list that appears, choose the tool or command you'd like to add. For example, let's select Quick Print. You'll now see the Quick Print icon appear in the toolbar, easy. But what if the tool you want isn't listed there? No problem, just click the same drop-down arrow again, and this time, choose More Commands. In the PowerPoint Options window that opens, go to the Quick Access Toolbar section on the left. Now, from the list of available commands, select the one you want to add. For this video, I'll add the Duplicate Slide tool. Click Add, then press OK. And there it is. The Duplicate Slide button is now part of your Quick Access Toolbar. Now, what if you want to remove a tool from the Quick Access Toolbar? It's just as simple. Hover over the tool you want to remove, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, just select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. And that's it. The tool is instantly removed. Next, let's take a look at how to add the Developer tab to your PowerPoint ribbon. This tab gives you access to advanced tools like macros, form controls, and more. To enable it, first click File, then go to Options in the bottom left corner. Next, select Customize Ribbon. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of available tabs. Just check the box next to Developer, and then click OK. And there you have it. The Developer tab is now visible in your ribbon, ready for use. Let's say you want quick access to all your favorite tools in one place. The best way to do that is by creating a custom tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. To get started, open the PowerPoint options window using the shortcut Alt+F+T, or just Alt+T if you're on the home screen. Now, head to Customize ribbon. On the right side, select the tab after which you'd like to insert your custom one. Then, click on New tab. You'll see a new tab and group added. Go ahead and select the new tab and click Rename to give it a custom name. Do the same for the group inside it. Rename it so it's clear what kind of tools it will contain. If you want multiple groups, just click New Group again and rename them as needed. Now let's add tools to the groups. Select a group first, then from the list on the left, choose the tool you want to add and click Add. Once you're done, hit OK. And there you have it. Your custom tab with all your go-to tools is now part of the ribbon. If you ever want to remove the custom tab, just head back to Customize ribbon in the PowerPoint options, right-click on the tab, choose Remove, and click OK. Next, let's talk about add-ins. These are mini extensions that add extra features to PowerPoint. To get started, go to the Home tab and click on Add-ins. A list will appear showing available add-ins. Click on the one you want, then hit Add to install it. Once installed, you can access it anytime under My Add-ins. Need more? Click on More Add-ins to open the add-in store. From there, you can browse or search for additional tools and install them. If you ever want to uninstall an add-in, click on Add-ins, go to More Add-ins, then open My Add-ins. Find the one you want to remove and select it. Click the three dots and select Remove. Once removed, it'll no longer appear in your My Add-ins list. And finally, let's look at how to get help with tools or features inside PowerPoint. Say you need help with word art. Just type word art into the search box at the top. You'll get three kinds of results. First is Actions. This lets you instantly jump to and use the tool you searched for. For example, clicking on the word art action will open it directly. Next is Get Help. This provides suggestions from PowerPoint's help documentation or online support. Clicking a suggestion opens a detailed guide. And last is Find in Slide. This searches for the term within your current presentation. So that's it, folks. You've just explored all the key features you need to get started with PowerPoint. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to design engaging slides for your presentations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.